Hi everyone, thanks again. As I said in the previous video, what we're going to do is talk you through the configuration screen and the settings in this one. So the first thing we'll do is going to have a look at the threads. As you can see, you can have 1, 3, 5, 10, 20 threads. And for those who has upgraded to the Elite version of the software, you have the potential to go up to 200 threads, which is quite substantial when using the software and will help you greatly. The next thing is using proxies. If you're using proxies, simply tick this box and hit Save Settings. That is this field, and any time that you ever want to change it, if you want to reduce the threads, just come back and reduce it, hit Save Settings, or increase it, the same again, just increase it. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'll be using 100 threads. Now we jump into the capture settings. You will see here that you have manual capture. So if you don't want to use any capture services, simply put a tick in this box. Otherwise, you have decapture, death by decapture, image depres, and you can actually skip the capture sites. If you have any of these accounts, guys, all you need to do is put your username in, the password. For the capture, you need the port, and simply hit the toggle. This will tell you the outstanding balance on your account and if it is valid or not. If it comes back not valid, it means that the details you have entered are incorrect. So please check the details before moving on. If you use all accounts, you can then add the details, username and password, to both the decapture and the image, and just check to make sure these accounts are valid. It's that simple. Once it's done, simply hit Save Data and then move on to spinner settings. In the spinner settings, you will see we have maximum number of Sinmons 5. Protected keywords we've also ticked, but you can untick if you wish. You have the favourite indent, best quality, which we recommend. Favourite indent, very good quality, or good quality, or indent replace. It then supports best spinner, spin rewriter, which is a preferred option, and spin chip. All you do, guys, again, is exactly the same as the capture settings. Put in your email and your API key for spin rewriter, the username and the password for the best spinner, and the email and the API key for spin chip. Simply test the account to make sure it's valid, and that's it done. Once it's valid, simply hit Save Settings, and that is your configuration done. The only time you'd ever need to come back to this, unless you change your decapture service or your spinning service, is to alter the threads. And as I said, we have left this at 100 threads for the example. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the Proxy Manager screen and show you how easy it is to use this as well. Thanks again, and see you soon.